Hey gamers, today I am going to show you how to unlock the Hipster whale in Crossy, one of the coolest secret characters in the game. The Hipster whale is a hidden character and you can't get it from the prize machine. When you open the Crossy application or the game from the store, you can see the prize machine you can get with the 100 coin. But you cannot unlock the Hipster whale from here. To unlock that secret character, it might take a few tries because the whale doesn't appear in every round and timing your jump perfectly is a key. While playing game, keep an eye out for the whale that is swimming. While playing Crossy Road, watch out the eye on the water. Watch out the eye on the water because if you jump perfectly over a whale or land on the whale at the end of that round, the Hipster whale will unlock in your collection. It's all about the patience and timing. Keep trying and soon you will have this fun secret character ready to play. And that's how you unlock the Hipster whale in Crossy Road. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more secret tips, and I'll see you in the next one.